two girls and a dog. Today we are going to be making these jeans. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. So let's get right on to this video.
What you're going to need is some scissors, a pen or pencil, and of course some jeans. First thing you're going to want to do is put on your jeans and measure out exactly where you want the holes. So Sophia's standing on the chair right now. I've already went ahead and drawn a line on her knee, on this knee where we want the hole on the knee to be. And so we're just going to measure out where we want the hole to be. And I'll get back to you when I'm done drawing these lines, and then we'll get on to the cutting. And now that we have the jeans with the lines on them, we're just gonna make them nice and straight and try to make them as even as possible. Okay, that's pretty good. So now I recommend fabric scissors because it'll just be easier to cut through the jean. And so I'm just gonna make like a fold in the middle. Make sure that you don't cut through the other side of your jeans or else it's gonna be pretty much weird. So you're just gonna cut a little slit right there. And then just gonna cut through the line. And do the same thing to the other leg. And yeah, so just do this to wherever else you want the holes. You can make them above or wherever. Just do that to the rest of the lines that you have on the jeans, and then we'll get back to you when we're ready to start on the next. Now that we have the holes cut onto the jeans, now once you have them on or whatever, you can just take them and carefully cut them a little wider or whatever you want to do. And now they will stretch out, so don't cut them too big. They're going to stretch out a bit. And then just cut them and adjust how you like. And just play around with it and have fun and do some cool things. And yeah, and then we'll start distressing the actual sides of the jeans in a few minutes. And like right here, I can still see a bit of the pen, and so you can just cut like a little like above or under it, where it just depends on where the pen mark is. Just cut it off, and then it'll look like these are. You can just cut off wherever you think you see pen marks. So now I got another pair of scissors that I can take apart and like use as like a knife almost. That's not even the right word. So now I'm gonna have Sophia hold the jean hole, whatever you want to call it, like that. And I'm just gonna take the sharper part and just slowly distress it and pull out some things and make them distressed and cute. Yeah, so then just do this until you like how distressed they are, and just do that to the bottom and the top and to both sides, and however. I think it just takes the look to a whole new level. And yeah, so just do that until you like how they look. So here are the jeans before, and here they are after.